Welcome to the Fog Bog 2022. Glad you're here. Please subscribe if you're interested. We've got our facade up finally today, September 29th. I'm super happy with these 85 watt RGB bulbs. Previously we had multiple 15 watts, which a lot of wiring and a lot of tripping hazards. Glad these things are working out super good. I think we're looking good. I added the lights on the awning, recommendations from Sheepdog Patriot 1776 on YouTube. We've got our singing pumpkins. Gonna get flagged here. This is just a projection, if you can see it in here, an Epson projector on a previously recycled candy delivery system. Pretty cool. We got our ghost in the back there with a black light on her. Black lights in the regular house lights, and also little red here is what we settled on with our chandeliers that we found on Amazon Marketplace for $40 and tried to waterproof them. Happy Halloween. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Please subscribe if you can, and thank you for watching.